Hello, everybody. Today we make a nice, beautiful dish. This dish, everybody like, but somebody like, somebody not like, but I like it so much. We make ciambotta. And I got everything I cut already right over here in front of me. And we got a potato. Now, the potato I left in the water, because you take it out for the water, the potato turn black. But when I cook, I drain the water. And we got over here zucchini. I got over here basil, plum tomato. And I take the skin out for the tomato. I got eggplant, melanzane. I got onion and garlic already. And over here we got the red and green sweet pepper. But I got inside to I chop the oil baby pepper. Okay, now, for start, we gotta bring on the stove, and I got the onion and garlic. And we start over here, put the gas on, and let's put oil. Okay. If we start, we gotta start with the garlic and the onion. I leave warm up the oil. At the same time, I start to bring everything over here. Okay, after everything, you gotta go this. Now the potato, I'll leave on this side. Okay, I gotta drain the water after. Okay, and this, the zucchini. And I got another one, the two, and I got this one. Salute, Cincin, everybody. Cincin, salute. Thank you. Okay, now, let's start with the garlic and onion.
We got some stars already from Mike and Bill.
Thank you very much, Mike and Bill, for the star. Thank you so much. Okay, now this you gotta cook a little bit of the garlic and the onion together like this.
And Sean sent you some bunny ears.
Thank you very much. Okay. Now, we gotta start to cook this. This dish, when I was in my city, I told you the truth, I was working every single day in the farm. Because we have a farm, and you gotta work on a farm. And we have everything in the farm. Everything you want, we got over there. And my mother and my father, he was picking up the garlic, the onion, zucchini, everything, and we was making chambota. After night time, when we go home, everybody say, hey, Miche, che fai a mangiare stasera? What do you cook tonight? And my mother said, no, we eat already on the farm. I make a chambota. Oh, chambota! Ooh, the chambota is for the poor people. And my mother, she said, hey, that's why I eat the chambota. I'm a poor. We got a farm, but I'm a poor. It's like this. But today, I think everybody likes the chambota. It's really, really good. All right, now, what we got to do over here, I drain the potato. Take the water out. Because the potato, it takes a little long the rest of the stuff. And we put the potato first. And we leave the potato cook a little bit like that. Look how beautiful this potato, nice. Because the potato, when you peel off, you got to keep in the water. So you not keep in the water, the potato turn black, change color.
And if anyone's interested in this recipe, you just do a hashtag yummy in the comments and it'll be sent to you in 1 second.
Everybody know that we cook every Tuesday. Tuesday we cook for everybody. Cincin salute. Thank you so much for everything. The look of this video gets really, really good. Cincin salute. All right, now we got the pepper, sweet pepper, red, green, and I got my oil baby too, a chop inside. Okay. And now everything can go.
Hey, Debbie, thank you for the stars.
Thank you very much, Debbie, for the star. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Okay. Now we got the zucchini.
And a big thank you to Priya also. Thank you.
Thank you very much. What's that, Priya? Thank you, Priya. Thank you. Okay, now we put the plum tomato. With the black pepper.
Rachel said that the recipes are coming in faster than a Ferrari. That's good to hear.
Oh, good. Okay, little salt. I put that much salt, but after you taste, you need more salt, you use more salt. And I put the hot pepper, but so you don't want no hot pepper, no use, okay? All right, now we got the eggplant.
You put salt on the eggplant?
Now, I want to say something. I never take the skin out for the eggplant. And I never use salt. You see how nice dry the eggplant? Nice. So you put salt, it come all wet already.
And you used olive oil, right?
Yes. Really good oily I use. Okay, now what I do this, you gotta cook for 1 hour and a half. Okay? And once in a while, make sure the turn, che se no, not over here, but when you start to cook, you got a lot of sauce come.
Ellie asked you, are the potatoes already cooked?
No, the potato is not cooked, it's raw.
And Roland sent you 200 stars.
Oh, what's the name?
Roland.
Roland, thank you very much. Hey, we do salute Cincin, everybody. Cincin salute. Thank you so much for the star for everybody.
And somebody asked, what does chin chin mean?
Cincin? What I gotta say? Salute. My wife in Polish, he said "La zdrowia." Oh, gee, it's a cheers, see? But in my city over there, Orsara, we would say, hey, a salute. And you drink a nice glass of wine or beer, what do you want? Oh, martini. The martini, you know, everybody like martini.
You like to put the olive juice in there?
Okay. And this one, you gotta go bye-bye. I can wash it, but it's okay. You got a lot. Okay. All right. Now, what we do over here, we cover. And I put medium low. Got a cover over here. It's a cover. Now, I gotta take my stove. I got an electric stove over here.
Oh, this. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is the electric. It keeps hot, this. Look how hot. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's really hot. Now, I got over here. I take this cover off. Whew. Okay, and we bring, and this is the ciambotta prepared already, because the other one, it take hour and a half to cook, but I was prepared this one already.
Smells spicy.
Spicy? You know taste yet? Okay, now, I gotta take this for me. Look how nice. After what you do, you take some basil and you chop on the top. I don't use the knife. When you use the knife for the basil, you lose all the juice. And I like the juice. Now, look how beautiful bread we got over here. And I slide the bread this way. Okay. And I put it right over here. And I need my wine. Okay. And this you do, you can put it like this on the top, like that. And you eat. Really good, nice spice. It's a delicious, the ciambotta. This is it's for the poor people. But hey, it's good. And this it can be for the poor and for the rich. Okay, everybody like this. It's really, really good. Look at how nice this one. Look at that.
Do you think somebody's asking, can you put cheese on top?
Well, yeah, why not? You can cook pasta on the side and you mix it together. It's really good. And we do salute chin chin. And thank you so much for your support. And thank you for the star. And we see next week on Tuesday, 6 o'clock. Chin chin. Salute. And so you let me know so you like this ciambotta. Because the ciambotta, it's really, really good. Chin chin. Salute. And thank you so much to look at this video. Chin chin.
And again, if you're interested in the recipe, just do a hashtag yummy in the comments and it gets sent right to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.